Introducing yourself in Igbo. Ịkọwa onwe gị in Igbo. No matter how little Igbo you know, you can introduce yourself in Igbo successfully, and it's very simple to do. It's not a long process. The first one, I'm going to give you the first way to introduce yourself straight to the point, in, you're out. To say hello or hi, you say Ndewo. To introduce yourself, you say Ahambo, Ahambo, and you say your name. For example, Ahambo Mazi Prince Obiefule, and I've introduced myself. Then you can say nice meeting you by saying Obi di moto ihunge. Obi di moto ihunge. I am glad to see you, literally, but it's nice meeting you. Or you can just end up with another Ndewo, and that is the first type of simple greeting that you can do in Igbo. So the words to know for this is Ndewo, and if you've been following the channel, we've already handled Ndewo in the lessons on greeting and on the slide for 250 words and phrases. We've already taken care of Ndewo. Then the other one is Ahambo. Ahambo. Aham is my name. Bo is. So Ahambo literally means my name is. So my name is, and you state your name. You can also say for short Abum Prince Obiefule. Just say Abum Prince Obiefule, which is I am Prince Obiefule. So these are the words to know in that first part of introducing yourself in, you're out. Very simply.